Wooden windows often rot in the corners, where water gathers after rain. We'll show you a repair which is quite easy, will save you a bundle of money, and will extend the life of the window frame for many years. Begin by removing all of the wood rot. We generally use a chisel for this purpose, although there are many tools that will do the job. Use a rubber mallet if necessary. The rubber mallet has a soft sound which makes the job more pleasant, as opposed to the metallic, jarring sound that a hammer would make. We're going to fill the hole with car body filler, exactly the same stuff that would be used to fill dents on a car. It comes in two parts, the filler and the hardener. The filler will not harden until a catalyst, which is commonly called the hardener, is added to it. Once cured, the body filler becomes rock hard and will last for many years. Mix up a batch of filler according to the manufacturer's instructions. This is usually about 4 or 5 drops of hardener to 1 dessert spoon of filler. Mix it well and trowel it into the gap. A putty knife used with a scraper works well. The filler uses a chemical process to dry and will harden suddenly after about 4 or 5 minutes. It has a cheesy consistency at this stage and should be shaped before it gets too hard. After half an hour, it will be very hard and difficult to shape. This hole in the frame is big and will take 6 or 7 batches of filler to fill. If you need more support for the filler, insert a few nails or screws into the wood that you are filling. Build up the filler from the bottom of the hole, pushing the filler into the wood to form a good bond with the wood. After each layer, shape the profile if necessary. We're using a chisel and a utility knife to shape the filler. A small power sander will also work well. Choose a tool to suit your conditions. After a good sanding with 100 grit sandpaper, the window frame can be finished. We're using Plascon's Wall-and-All for the windows. Wall-and-All covers well on almost any surface. It's water-based and so cleanup is easy, and it withstands direct sunlight very well. Our trick of painting onto the glass has a few interesting advantages and makes painting window edges much faster than normal. The paint fills the gap between the glass and the putty to create an extra seal. After an hour, the paint is touch dry and we slide a window scraper across the edges. We get a great straight edge and the window painting is fast in this way. This is a great technique for windows that have a lot of small panes. Top coats can be applied directly to the filler. Doing the job ourselves has cost less than 200 Rand and has taken about 3 hours in total. It's saved at least 3,000 Rand in the cost of buying a new window and frame, having somebody come in and fit it, and having somebody else come in to paint it. By doing the job yourself, you'll save a bundle.